life throws you a lot of curveballs. Came into Honda for my maintenance. Realized that I haven't done my 7-year timing belt replacement for safety. So maintenance is on hold for next month, and we'll be doing that instead. So it has totally changed my plans in the morning. Got only half an hour of Zumba in, and the music is always here, very good at Honda. So I am going to get some steps in while I'm waiting for my car to be finished. Hey, look at the bright side. I've got brand new timing belt, good for another 7 years, and my 2017 Honda Accord. Shalom and peace, no matter what storms or things are changing in your life, and you're greatly loved. CoachDrRuth.com. We are resilient.